Have you ever looked at your investments and wondered, am I getting the best deal, or is someone actually looking after my money? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into a question that's been on many investors' minds. Is Nutmeg a broker? Now, you might be thinking, what's the big deal about whether it's a broker or not? Well, let's break it down. A broker, in simple terms, is a middleman. They match buyers and sellers, earning a commission on the transaction. On the other hand, an investment platform, like a robo-advisor, manages your money based on your financial goals. So, where does Nutmeg fit in? Let's unpack this. Nutmeg positions itself as a robo-advisor. It uses algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. This automation means lower costs compared to traditional brokers. Sounds great, right? But is it just a robo-advisor? Let's delve deeper. While Nutmeg does automate many aspects of investment management, it also offers a level of personalized service that goes beyond your typical robo-advisor. They have financial advisors available to provide guidance and support. This hybrid model is interesting because it combines the efficiency of automation with the human touch of traditional advice. But here's the kicker: Nutmeg also offers a brokerage service. This means you can buy and sell individual stocks and shares through their platform. This is a feature that many robo-advisors don't offer. So, while its core business is as a robo-advisor managing your investments, it also provides a brokerage service for those who want more control over their portfolio. Now, this dual role raises some questions. Can a company effectively balance the interests of a robo-advisor and a broker? Is there a potential conflict of interest? After all, a broker's primary goal is to maximize transaction fees, while a robo-advisor aims to optimize returns for the client. To get a clearer picture, let's look at the fees Nutmeg charges. As a robo-advisor, their fees are relatively low compared to traditional brokers. However, their brokerage fees are in line with industry standards. This transparency is a good sign, but it's essential to understand the full cost of your investments, including platform fees and underlying fund charges. Another crucial aspect to consider is regulation. Nutmeg is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK, which provides a level of protection for investors. However, it's always wise to do your own research and understand the risks involved in any investment. So, is Nutmeg a broker? The answer is complex. While it primarily functions as a robo-advisor, it also offers brokerage services. This hybrid model has its pros and cons. On one hand, it provides flexibility for investors. On the other hand, it raises questions about potential conflicts of interest. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use Nutmeg depends on your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to investing and prefer automated portfolio management, Nutmeg could be a good option. However, if you want more control over your investments and are comfortable with higher fees, you might consider a traditional broker. It's important to remember that there is no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to investing. What works for one person might not work for another. Always do your research, compare different options, and consider seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.